further boarding, no further boarding. Please, and please stay behind that yellow line, my friends. Please stay behind that yellow line. Driver, you're clear for dispatch.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children. Thank you.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados, con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro, mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
And my friends, EPCOT will remain open until 9 o'clock, tonight 9 o'clock. In addition, tonight we'll have our fireworks spectacular at EPCOT Forever, also at 9 o'clock. Remember, we're parked in Crush 208. Trams will run tonight until 10:30 p.m. Please hold on to children, and the children hold on to parents until our tram comes to a full and complete stop. Friends, please stay behind that yellow line. Stay behind that yellow line. And center. All right, and with that full and complete stop, you're all free to exit. And please turn that handle, wash your hands, step into exit. And welcome to EPCOT.